Write down where you get yours from, because I must admit that bubble gum is popping. It's popping. It's popping. She ain't frontin'. As always, y'all, greetings and salutation. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this Bobbi Boss wig that I got from wigtypes.com in the style Zelly and in the color T1B Copper. Just going in and showing you guys information on the info card and showing you guys the construction of the wig. There are 2 clips on the left and the right, as well as a 5-inch part. And there is a mesh netting on the inside of the wig cap, as well as a clip in the back and 2 clips on the sides to adjust the head straps. Going in and plopping the unit on my head, this is what it looks like with absolutely no manipulation. This is what the part looks like. Not really the most natural wig in the world, but of course, as always, we're gonna just go in and pluck that in a little bit. If you wear it as a middle part, this is what the frontal looks like. It does go from ear to ear as a middle part. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like as a left side part. And also as a right side part. So the frontal isn't as long if you want to wear it on the left or right side, just kind of showing you guys that. So just a heads up, if you like to wear your wigs on the left or right side like I do, this is how long the wig is on me. I'm about 5'11" and it came to about mid back, so it's a pretty long unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck it and I will be back in a moment. So this is what it looks like with my fingers run through with the hairline plucked and everything. The luster on this unit was great, very natural. There was minimal shedding. I got a couple of shed hairs, but that was only after I went ahead and plucked in the part and put in some baby hairs. This unit is very, very full, so if you live somewhere hot and you might not want all of this hair on you, that is just something to keep note of. It's also big head friendly. This is about how much hair I plucked out of the unit to make the parting a little bit more natural. So after I went in and plucked, this is what the parting looks like. Very easy to pluck, and it went back pretty far if you wanted to go ahead and pluck back further, but I didn't really feel like that looked natural, so that's what I worked with. And for my final thoughts on the unit, I definitely enjoyed it. I've had it for about 3 weeks now, and this has been a wig that I've been wearing consistently for those 3 weeks. It lasts long, and it really hasn't tangled or shed that much on me, so I would definitely recommend this as a wig to buy if you're looking for an everyday wig. As always, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on my next video.